PON CAD is a scaffolding design software developed for renters, designers, and builders. If you are a designer, you can make quick drawings and structural verification. If you are a seller, you can quantify the material list and create a precise quote to make an accurate offer. If you are in charge of logistics, PON CAD helps you eliminate loading and transport errors. The strengths of PON CAD are: design any type of scaffolding without scheme limits for the civil, industrial, and showbiz sectors. Make small and large scaffolding systems. Prepare graphic presentations and winning commercial offers with video, rendering, and VR. The application areas of PON CAD are industrial maintenance, building, show business. PON CAD supports all types of scaffolding and catalog libraries of the main manufacturers. Furthermore, new scaffold libraries can be added and modified independently. PON CAD allows the exchange of information and the interaction with clients and suppliers thanks to the open DWG format, standard for 3D design and modeling. It is also possible to export to BIM IFC. Unlike other products, PON CAD does not require a rental subscription. You buy it once and it works forever.